down in that small town, dreamed of heading southbound. So I hitched down I-65. I climbed into her Trans Am, an hour below Birmingham. She was headed home and I was there for the ride. Started talking nonsense, she was laughing at my accent. Wound up on the Alabama shore. There was magic in the night air, a Gulf breeze in her blonde hair. That's what my soul's searching for. Summer moonlight, southern daughter. She led me down to the water as we lay on that cool white sand. I was born again in Dixieland. Drank from a mason jar underneath a blanket of stars. I said, do you believe this was meant to be? She told me, well, I believe in front porch swings, the songs that the crickets sing, and I believe you belong down here with me. Summer moonlight, southern daughter. She led me down to the water as we lay on that cool white sand. I was born again